What's going on, everybody? Chlorine King here. I am here at a client's house who said their heat pump stopped working, and sure enough, there's not any power to the board. And I tested the voltage down here. We had 242.4, so we definitely have incoming power. So normally everyone would think, oh, just replace the board. Well, there's a fuse right here that I'm gonna pull out and take a look, and I'd be willing to bet that is the problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and take a look. Make sure before you pull anything out though, you cut the power off to the heater. All right, so sure enough, that fuse was broken. I went ahead and replaced it with a new fuse, and guess what? We have power now here at the board. So before you get too quick and replace your electronics, check the fuses, because that's normally where the power gets cut off at if there's a surge of power or something like that. That's what the fuses are designed for, to protect the boards and all the electronics in the heater. So this heater is fixed and good to go. So hopefully you like this quick video. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day, everyone.